Big story today, it is Advantage home buyer in Maharashtra. The Home Ministry has recommended in a letter that the upcoming regulator incorporate all the provisions of the buyer-friendly Maharashtra Ownership of Flats Act. Now, this will render the recent state DGP circular, which asked police to file FIRs against developers, null and void. However, in its place, home buyers, we learn, can expect another set of guidelines for the police. Ruchi Deshpande gets us this exclusive report.
We told you here on Magic Bricks now that the Maharashtra government officials are considering combining the remainder rules of Maharashtra Ownership Flats Act or MOFA into the current rules being framed for the new Maharashtra housing regulator. Now, sources from the Maharashtra Home Department tell us that the recommendations to include the remainder of MOFA in the new RERA rules have already reached the Housing Ministry, where they are being considered right now. What's more is that this move, according to the Home Department officials, says that this will empower the consumers against errant builders, give them more teeth so that they are not duped by these builders. But if MOFA and RERA are combined right now, then the current circular which was issued by the Maharashtra Director General of Police that stated that you could go register an FIR and get the builder arrested after certain conditions will be inactive. This means that if MOFA and RERA are combined, this circular will be inactive. It will cease to exist. Currently, remember that these recommendations have only gone from the Maharashtra Home Department to the Maharashtra Housing Department, where they are being considered by the Maharashtra Housing Department, and it will be some time before the MOFA is repealed, which will take at least 2 months, according to what sources told us, and it will take time for the circular to be either repealed or for it to be inactive, and we will keep you updated about it on Magic Bricks now.
And for more perspective on that, we are being joined by Uday Vavikar. Uday is a VP Consumer Court Bar Association Maharashtra and Goa and has been fighting for homeowner rights for a long time. Uday, welcome to the show. Tell me this, you have been lobbying for this for a long time. The fact that MOFA should be merged, MOFA should be brought into RERA, and now it seems like it will happen. More power to the home buyer there?
Hello, Kavita.
Yes, Uday.
If you say this, yes, I am with you, but then combining has to be perfect, because every wedding has to be perfect. Our recommendation was that both should coexist, MOFA and RERA, because they are complementary to each other, and it could have been a long-waited life. But if they want to now put MOFA, it is also a welcome move that they want to put the MOFA provisions under RERA, but the question would be, under MOFA there is a criminal liability where a builder can be sued criminally. Therefore, the police said that you can file a FIR. But now, with this, we do not really know, and we keep our fingers crossed that all those effective sections of MOFA, including the parking and the deemed conveyance, are taken as it is. And there is not much change in that, or they are not liquidated or diluted. That is, I am very optimistic, but we'll have to be really cautious.
That I share those concerns, in fact, and that was going to be my next question to you. Now, we know that the regulator is still a work in progress in Maharashtra. In fact, Maharashtra actually took the initiative as far as drafting the rules were concerned over here. However, will there be a chance for us, for home buyers, to, still look at what is going into those laws, into those rules that are being written for the regulator? Will we have another chance at suggestions and objections so that, like you said, we can keep an eye on what is being brought in and what is being left out?
You are 100% correct, and we should take a chance.
Okay, so we will get that chance, and from what we hear, Uday,
we don't know whether we will get,
okay,
but we'll have to recommend to the government to give it to us.
So that's going to be another round of lobbying. However, Uday, what we are hearing is that the entire MOFA is going to be subsumed, is going to be in effect merged with RERA, is what we are being told. Now, there's another thing, like you rightly said, the Maharashtra DGP circular, which currently has asked police to arrest errant builders, to file FIRs against them. This will become inactive once the Housing Ministry says, okay, MOFA will merge into RERA. Is that a good move?
That is not a good move, because till such time it is merged, till such time it comes in gazette, that circular should have been continued. Because in any case, if you say that circular is not effective and if MOFA is not repealed till such time, then you can go under MOFA, file a criminal complaint in the criminal court for investigation. So
Right.
there is no question.
But like we are told, this could take another 2 months for to actually merge
No,
MOFA
it
and
may
RERA.
take more. It may take more because I expected the RERA courts to be effective at least 1 year from now, minimum 1 to 2 years.
And in the meanwhile, the DGP circular is going to lapse. What can the home buyer do in the interim? How do we safeguard our rights?
So the way out is, if the MOFA is not repealed, they can file a criminal complaint in the criminal court, and then the magistrate can tell them to investigate, direct the police to investigate in the matter and lodge a FIR. That option is still open as long as MOFA is not repealed.
But they are very clear that they're going to repeal MOFA if it is subsumed into RERA. In that case, what do we do?
Well, Kavita, question is from when? In that, if it is not repealed till such time the new act is formed, new act is gazetted, it is good. But if it is immediately repealed, then we'll have no option. Then you have to go to consumer court, get an order, and send builder to the jail, which will take another 2-3 years.
Right.
More. Either way, it will take 2-3 years.
Right. Thank you very much, Uday. And let's hope for our sakes that the government does not immediately repeal MOFA. It waits till the regulator actually comes into force.
You can watch live TV on our website, mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.